Hi, this is Mayor Bob White. Today is Sunday, February 14, 2021, and this is my second COVID-19 briefing this year. Since the start of the pandemic, the total number of positive cases of COVID-19 in Saddlebrook is 1,039. We currently have 261 active cases and 755 residents have recovered from the virus. Sadly, we had 23 members of our community pass away as a result of COVID-19. To those families who are grieving the loss of a loved one to the pandemic, I extend my heartfelt condolences. You are all in our thoughts and prayers as we find our way forward together. The number of cases in the second wave of the virus have decreased in the last couple of weeks, and the number of COVID-19 related hospitalizations is down 20%. The virus transmission rate in New Jersey has also dipped to 0.81. This week, Governor Murphy issued an executive order allowing a limited number of parents and guardians to attend indoor and outdoor high school sporting events. The return to playing sports with spectators marks another positive step in the governor's reopening plan. On February 5th, the governor rolled back some restrictions on indoor gatherings that he set in place back in November. The limits on indoor gatherings were increased to 35%, up from 25%. The number of people permitted indoors is limited to 150. Restaurants are now permitted to stay open past 10 p.m. These changes also apply to gyms, casinos, performance venues, barbershops, hair salons, and amusement and indoor recreation. Religious ceremonies such as weddings and memorial services or funerals are also allowed to expand attendance. Individuals 65 and older and those with certain medical conditions are now eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. If you are eligible and want to be inoculated, it is recommended that you pre-register online with the state of New Jersey, covidvaccine.nj.gov, or Bergen County at newbridgehealth.org. Residents who don't have access to a computer or those with special needs can call my office for assistance. The phone number is 201-587-2903. There has been a great deal of frustration with the vaccine rollout here in New Jersey. Unfortunately, there is not enough supply to meet the high demand. Appointments for vaccine are very difficult to get. So please be persistent and patient in your efforts. The state has a vaccine appointment support hotline, 855-568-0545, open daily 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. For a list of vaccination sites in our area, check the town website, saddlebrooknj.us, or facebook.com/Saddlebrook Township. Riverside Medical in Saddlebrook has a limited quantity of the vaccine, and at this time are giving preference to their patients. If you or a spouse is a patient at Riverside Medical, please email them at covid19vaccine@riversidemedgroup.com. At the beginning of the month, our school district had active cases in all 5 schools, with more than 80 identified quarantines. As per state protocol, the school district moved to all remote, fully virtual status for the last couple of weeks and are scheduled to go back to hybrid in-person instruction again on Tuesday, February 16th. All indoor township recreation sports have been suspended during this time. For information about when they will resume, please call Recreation Director Andy Gallo at 201-587-2900. I commend all our residents for their cooperation and support in the fight against COVID-19. I especially thank all our amazing healthcare workers, emergency responders, and essential workers for all they've been doing on the front line of this pandemic. Let's not let our guards down now and continue to practice social distancing, wash hands frequently, and wear face coverings. Thank you, and God bless.